Hi everyone, welcome back to Embedded Board. If you are learning C programming and you have heard of pointers but you feel confused about the little ampersand symbol or address of symbol, that you are in the right place. Today we are breaking down the role of the address or operator, that is ampersand, and why it is absolutely initial when we working with the pointers in the C. Trust me, once you get this pointer, you will start to make a lot more sense. In C, the ampersand symbol is called the address of operator. It is used to get the memory address of a variable. Remember, every variable in the C is stored somewhere in the memory, and that location has an address. So let's see with the example. Here I have declared a variable, a local variable int x, and value assigned with the 10. If I want to print the address of that variable x where it is storing the value of 10, so I use a printf. First I write the code, then I will explain the code you. I have used the printf function, and the percentage %p is the format specifier, and this symbol is denoting here the address of ampersand, and x is the variable. If I run this program, let's run. Okay, you can see on the console the address is 0061FF1C. So when using ampersand, it will give the address that. Now here is where it get powerful. A pointer in a variable that store the address of another variable, not its value. So how do we get the address to store in a pointer? You guess it, we use ampersand. Let's understand with the code. Let's delete this one. Example. Here I have declared a integer pointer ptr, and a variable here is int x is equals to 10. Now I will assign the address to the pointer by using ampersand sign with x value. Now I have assigned the pointer with the address of x. Here ptr is a pointer to an integer, and we assign it the address of x using ampersand x. Now ptr holding the location of x, and we can use ptr to access or modify the value stored at the address. Let's understand with the example how we can modify the value of ptr which holding the address of x. Simply you have to use the dereference operator ptr, and you will assign any value to this. Now ptr holding the value, the ptr here holding the address of x, but the value at the x is storing is 20 now. Now let's talk about the importance of the ampersand address of operator in pointing. Without the ampersand or address of operator, your pointer has no idea where to point. It would either be initialized or pointing to some random location. So the meaning of thing is that when we initialize a pointer, it point to any memory location, but we don't know. If we want to know the location where our variable stored the address or value, then we have to use the address of operator. If we do not use pointer use any random location, which can cause undefined behavior or even a program crash. So here in this video we have understand the use of address of operator in pointer. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed our video and you get some knowledge about from this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. And once again, thank you, and thank you for watching our video.